What's up, YouTube? What's going on today?
What up, bro?
We got the S5 here, and we're replacing our big ass cat right there. Look at that thing. Putting high flow cats on.
All you gonna get, somebody calling cops like, yo, all I hear is shots, yo.
Yeah. Damn, look at that thing. Yo, I'd be ashamed that went missing, bro. Those cats looking kind of scrumptious. So that is the stock stuff right there. So we're gonna take off this one and replace it with the high flow one. Damn, this thing is hot. We just turned the car on for 20 seconds and this thing's hot. There's a 22 mil, but we don't have that, so we got a 7/8 improvised adapt to relearn. Oh damn, look at that. That came out nice and easy. This thing just started up. That's still hot. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so we got the O2 sensor out. So when you're removing the O2 sensor, so there's a clipper right there. You want to unclip it from there, so you don't rip off your O2. So this is the giant ass CTS thing. You look at this thing, bro. Look how massive that shit is. Holy.
It'll fit up my ass.
So yo, CTS, if you're watching us, bro, if you want to sponsor us, my G's, yo, we got the CTS high flow cats. We got a CTS inlet pipe, CTS charge pipe, intake as well, apparently.
Intercooler.
Yeah, and intercooler's coming in soon.
CTS engine.
Bro, if you guys want to bless us, bro, we're here, you know? Yeah, whatever CTS there is as well, you know, even the CTS turbo comes in, that's enough, you know, we'll be happy, you know? You'll make a man's day. So back to the cat stuff. We unscrewed that. We're letting this thing kind of cool down. And then right here, you see this? We're going to take that off. So there's a band right here. We're going to unbolt that shit. Yeah, we're going to loosen those right there afterwards. Before you attempt anything, make sure you can loosen those, because you don't want to start taking everything off and you can't take that shit off and you're stuck here, you know? All right, so we done fucked up. We dropped all of our ratchets on the skid plate. Is down there while we're trying to move those 12 mils. My guy here on the creeper, who's a creature, he's going underneath. Oh shit, do I smell that? Hey, you got some pizza. Hey.
I'm
kind of hungry, bro. Yo, show me that box, bro. Open it up.
I need a tip, bro. I'm a delivery boy.
What type of tip are you asking for?
Yo, a lot of things.
I have a tip I'll give you, but I don't know if you want it.
Want to see the
I'll have the tip of the pizza, though, yo.
You might see something that you don't want to see. A big monster out here, bro.
I know. Show it to me, bro. I'm waiting.
What the fuck? There's a fucking pocket over here?
You got a mushroom. Yo, looking kind of good still. Alright, so back to this stuff. We're trying to loosen the 12 mils. My man shoving his hand down there, bro.
Oh, want to put a cloth here? Oh, never mind.
Nasty ass guy, bro.
I put a wet cloth. I legit want to shit myself.
Nasty fucking guy. Alright, so what's the step? What happened?
What I did was 2 small extensions.
Yeah, to get the ones in the back there?
This one, this side.
Damn. Okay, you guys see that? The one right there? We had to use 2 small extensions to get that one all in the corner.
No U-joint, no swivel.
Well, straight raw. And this side, we got off easy. Alright, so we finally got both sides off. It is mad darker now. Look, we got lights and shit. Yo, look at that thing, bro. There are mosquitoes. Look at that shit. Oh, there we go. And it's finally about to come out. This will probably be part 1, bro. This shit's getting hectic. We gotta get out of here. Mosquitoes are eating me right now. I got the juiciest blood.
Can you push it back?
There it is.
Oh, we gotta just push that down somehow.
So there's the inside of the turbo. Bro, that's the size, bro. That's a real tiny little snail, bro. Look how giant the snail is. It's the same size as my Genesis almost.
Turbine.
Yeah. And there's a wastegate. The wastegate's open right now. So it's mad dark right now. That's why we got the fucking lights out and shit. Woo! Yeah, bare mosquitoes and shit out here right now.
Yo.
No, relax, bro. No, it's on whack-a-mole, bro.
Whack a mosquito. You know, once a day, you whack a mosquito? See a virgin, yo. You still a virgin.
Bro. Yeah, cause you don't have your blood taken, bro.
I'm about to say, yo.
Fuck them mosquitoes, bro. Hello, Yachty says it. Fuck them kids, bro. Fuck them mosquitoes, bro. Bro, let's fucking look at this shit. We got a fan here in the hopes of, you know, pushing mosquitoes away. It's the biggest stubble of life, bro. It's the biggest play of life, bro. We getting played with this shit. Oh my, bro. These fucking things are on me all over. Fuck it, we decided to try forcing out. Yeah, push that one that way. Yeah, you need that. I got your light. Push that a bit more. Come on. This is a 2-man job. Try wobbling a little bit.
Yo, hold. Take this out first. How? Oh, fuck, never mind.
Oh, yeah, that's the same thing. Oh, yeah, you could do that. There's only one bolt there.
Oh, lucky for you guys, I brought my triple square. Holy shit, man. Look how dumb these guys are, bro.
I know, bro. Look at these fucking guys, bro. It's fucking dark time, bro. These mosquitoes want my juicy ass blood, bro. They can't have enough of me, you know? Oh shit, look at that. We came handy. What's the guy pull up with?
What the fuck is that?
Oh shit, look at that shit.
Why the backs are dirty?
We had to take off these little brackets right here to make it easier. So we're gonna try taking off the one side first.
This one and that one. T30 and triple square.
I'm not sure which one that is.
I don't even know what number this is.
Hopefully that bracket lets us get it out. And then maybe we might start the car.
Right, hold on.
And there it is. Look at that. The one bracket. Damn, look at the mosquitoes. Jeez. There it is. The old one is out.
See, one cat and then the second cat.
Second cat's right there, so it's 2 cats in one. That's really restrictive, holy shit. If you look at both of them, there's the OEM, there's a CTS one. Look at the difference in that. So basically you have 1 cat and this one gets rid of the secondary. So this one you have the secondary since it's 2 in 1. And that shit was hot, yo. Even though after letting it sit for hours on end, it was still hot. This is it for part 1. Now, quickly, I am going to probably turn this on real quick. We want to see a fucking flame or something, you know? Because this is just straight exhaust, nothing here. And yo, this shit, you're gonna see a massive flame just go whoosh, right out. Hopefully we see a flame. I don't know. I know there's gonna be some issues with air fuel ratio because, you know, the O2 sensor's not in and shit. But we're gonna test this. Y'all wish us luck. Alright, yo, turn it on. Let's hear this thing.